So now I got it on the lowest setting. And that's too much.
it really.
That's too much. So let's try it now. Very low. Take a minute to get it coming out. So all right, folks, how you doing out there? I'm going to show you how to caulk if you have bare wood and you have a kick plate and it's bare wood and the kick plate's how to tape it and caulk it so it doesn't bleed into the wood. So what you do, you take painter's tape. Go like this, because if you didn't have painter's tape and you try to clean it up, because you have to push the caulk underneath. If it just lays on top, it does no good. So what you do, you figure out how much gap you want. I would say like about 1/8 of an inch. 1/8 of an inch. So you do that. Put that there, okay? And you make sure you push it down good. You want to really want to do this. Because we're going on bare wood versus painted wood. You don't have to do the outer edge, just the inner word counts. You don't got to do the sides either. So then you're going to take a caulk gun and you're going to put a bead of caulk. This is a new caulk gun, better operated. So I'll go along there. Done. I shut it off. I have no drip. There's no drip. You know how caulk guns, if you don't release the pressure, they spit stuff out.
That did a pretty good job.
Yes, it did. So now it's not done.
It's not done.
It's not done. So it's no good like that because you have tape on it. Unless you want a forward tape on it. Nobody wants forward tape. So then what you do, you take a finger. Because this is white. We're using white caulk. You go, bam. Okay? Then you go, use your wide finger, you get it off the trim. And then you want to do it down here so it's not excessive. You want to wipe it clean on it. Clean. You want to wipe it clean on the tape. So when you take it off, watch.
Put on some water.
Watch. We don't need water. Watch. Bam. Bam. How's it look? Going against wood there.
Professional job.
And it's pushed in under it. It's not just a pretty cover up.
Now, why do you want to do that?
Because if you don't do that, you're going to do an ugly caulk job.
Yeah, who wants an ugly caulk job?
Nobody.
Tell them how. Now, tell them that it took a little bit for you to get used to the technique of it.
Yeah.
Because one, it came out really fast, and then it just took you a little. It's a new tool to you, so it took a little bit to get used to it, right?
Yeah. And actually, if I had a caulk job to do, and I do a lot of it, this is way easier.
Yeah.
Way easier. You just got to dial it in.
Yeah.
It's got so many different pressures. It's like a impact gun, anything, compressor, everything it has, you got to set it. Once you set it right, yeah, I love it.
So it didn't splooge out the end when you were done either. So that was a big worry you had. So
yeah, because the old guns you had to release, and if you didn't release it, then nobody, first time caulker, you put it down, you have a blob right on your tile or whatever, on your rug maybe. But this didn't do it, so I give it a heads up. I do.
2 thumbs up.
Yeah, absolutely. 2 thumbs. There you go.
Nice.
Can't see that one.
Yeah. All right, cool.
Yeah.
Next, we'll show it comparing it against a regular caulk gun, and then we got another electric caulk gun over there, and we'll compare the two electric caulk guns to each other.
And also, what's good about this, I got the pressure off. I could take this out. Take this out. And y'all know, Y'all know with the handguns, you press them, they get all gunked up. You throw them away because it gets in all the teeth and everything. This is unique because you can pull this back,
Mess
clean that.
free.
Yeah, you can clean that, and you can screw this up. See, you can wash it in your wash tub, and you can clean all this off because you know they all gum up. Yeah, absolutely.
But let's see that inside of there. I don't see any gum up in there.
Nope.
There's no mess whatsoever.
Because caulking, I always get more caulk on me than on the material. So caulk, you get it on the gun, but you can take this off and keep it clean and easy access to clean that. And this right here, so okay, then you can clean this half. You can clean all that, so it's all clean.
But what I'm trying to say is, I don't think it gets that dirty, to tell you the truth.
No, if you use it every day, it will, but you will. If
Yeah.
this is your job, there are people that are just caulkers. Okay, so it's easy to clean. And you gotta keep them clean because y'all know them old ones you pump up, not battery. They come up and they're done. They don't work. So I would say hats off to it.
Yeah, it definitely took a little getting used to, but once we got the technique down and we started laying beads, it got easier as we went along.
And every new tool you get, you got to see what it does.
Yeah.
Just like a new car, you buy it, see how fast it will go, how slow it will go. You got hats off to it.
All